Good morning, children. How everybody doing? Are you all good? Are you all good, children? Are you studying? Did you read the lesson? Yes, very good. Did you practice the words which I gave you? Very nice. Now, I think somewhere around the seeds do not start grow. They we stopped in the last class. So let us continue with this lesson. Now, you know the content of the lesson, isn't it? It's about two characters. Who are the two characters? Yes, the bunny and the bug. Bunny had a beautiful garden and the bug also wanted to have a garden. So the bunny told the bug, gave some seeds and told him, you too can have a beautiful garden. And he went in. What did the bug do? Yes, he set the seeds in the ground and he was expecting it to come out, the plants to come out immediately. And he was shouting out one day, isn't it? That's what we are going to now continue reading that. Bug looks at the ground again. The seeds do not start to grow. So he looked at the ground and he found that the seeds were not growing. Bug puts his head very close to the ground and shouts, now seeds start growing. Now you think this is the ground? He put his head very close to the ground and he started shouting. Shouting means in a loud voice. He told the seeds, now seeds start growing. Told them to grow. Bunny comes running up the path. What is all that noise? He asked. So he was running that way. Path means that way. He was just running up and he asked the bug, what is this noise going on here? What is happening here? Why are you shouting like this? The bunny asked the bug. My seeds are not growing, says bug. Now the reply comes from the bug saying that the seeds which I set in the ground, it is not growing, it is not coming up. You are shouting too much. So the bunny told, you are shouting too much. Every time you are shouting like this, it is so loud, it is too much it's going. That means very, very much. It is every time he is simply shouting. Says bunny, these poor seeds are afraid to grow. So now the bunny is telling the bug, these seeds, I showed you the seeds that day, isn't it? Yes. I don't know if the seeds are here. Let me check. Yeah. These are seeds. See? See? Yeah. So these seeds, okay. Seeds, once you put in the ground, it's not going to grow the next day. It will take some time. It has to get soaked and it has to swell up. Then slowly the root will come out. Only then the plant comes out of it. So the bug did not know all this. The bunny told, because you're shouting like this, the seeds are afraid. They're scared. So they're not coming out of the seed. Then when the bunny said that, let us see what the bug says. My seeds are afraid to grow? Asked bug. Now the bug is asking the bunny, my seeds are afraid to grow? They are scared? Of course. Said, yes, definitely. Says bunny, leave them alone for a few days. Let the sun shine on them. Let the rain fall on them. Soon your seeds will start to grow. Now the bunny told the bug, leave them alone. Don't disturb them. Don't tell them anything. Let the sun shine on them. Let the sun shine on them and let the rain fall on them and they'll slowly start growing. You don't do anything to them. Don't keep shouting at them. Oh, says bug, my seeds are not growing. They must be afraid of the dark. Bug goes out to his garden with some candles. Now, after hearing this, he said the seeds are scared because of his shouting. That is why the bunny said the seeds are scared. But the bug thinks because the seeds are under the ground and there is no light, that is why they are scared, he thought. So what did the bug do? Yes, he goes and what is he doing? Yes, he's going and bringing some candles to the garden. That still the seeds still do not start to grow. So the bug goes and brings candle and light the candle and keep it there in the garden, thinking that they will get light, so they may not be scared. So the bug understood, because the seeds are under the earth, under the ground, it's not getting any light because it is dark over there. That is the reason the seeds are scared and not growing. So he lights one candle. When you light the candle, will the seed grow? Will the seed grow? No. The seeds are under the ground. It has to, yes, from the seed, the root has to come out. Then the shoots, small leaves will come out. Then it will, sprout out from the ground. It pushes the sand and it comes out. But the bug does not know all this. Bug goes and light a candle and keep it there. Now let's see what happens. And he's still saying, the seeds are not growing. What shall I do? Cries bug. Cries means not started crying. Cries means he shouted out, now I'm doing this. I'm lighting the candle for them to get light. Still it's not growing. What shall I do? What will I do? Okay. These must be the most frightened seeds in the whole world. Then bug feels very tired and falls asleep. Now the bug is thinking, these seeds which he planted may be the most, frightful seeds on the whole earth. Yes, the whole world. He's thinking like that. And he was getting so tired and he just fell asleep. He started sleeping. Bug, bug, wake up, says Bunny. Now, Bunny came and told the bug, 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 get up from your sleep. Look at your garden. Bug looks at his garden. Little green plants are coming out of the ground. At last, shouts Bug, my seeds are not afraid to grow. And now you have a nice garden too, says Bunny. So now the bug was very tired. Bug had fallen asleep, started sleeping. And then finally, Bunny found that these seeds have all come out as small plants. It had come out from the ground. So Bunny shouts and tells Bug, wake up, you get up, see what's happening, look at your garden. And told the bug, look at your garden. The plants started growing, the plants started coming up from the ground. And see, so now the bug shouted, at last means finally, see my seeds are all not afraid, they started growing. Now, you to have a nice garden. Bunny told the bug, now you to have a nice garden. So what you must do now is, you must read this lesson so you will understand better. How about we reading? I just start reading one stretch to you, listen, and you must read after me. Okay. So we are going to start reading from the page 15. Yes, the third passage. Bug puts his head very close to the ground and shouts, now seeds, start growing. Bunny comes running up the path. What is all that noise? He asks. My seeds are not growing, says Bug. You are shouting too much, says Bunny. These poor seeds are afraid to grow. My seeds are afraid to grow? Asks Bug. Of course, says Bunny. Leave them alone for a few days. Let the sun shine on them. let the rain fall on them. Soon your seeds will start to grow. That night, Bug looks out of his window. Oh, says Bug, my seeds are not growing. They must be afraid of the dark. But goes out to his garden with some candles. The seeds still do not start to grow. What shall I do? Cries Bug. These must be the most frightened seeds in the whole world. Then Bug feels very tired and he falls asleep. Now we'll turn the page to page number 16. Bug, Bug, wake up, says Bunny. Look at the garden. Bug looks at his garden. Little green plants are coming out of the ground. At last, shouts Bug, my seeds are not afraid to grow. And now you have a nice garden too, says Bunny. Did you like this lesson? Did you like it? Yes, it's a lovely little lesson. So you know what is the moral of this story? The moral of the story is you should have patience. What is patience? Not patience what the doctors have in the hospital. This patience, P-A-T-I-E-N-T-S, patience. This is P-A-T-I-E-N-C-E. Patience is you must have some, yes, you must be little time you must to think and not be in a hurry. Have some patience means you must have the time to wait to see what happens. Isn't it? Yes. So this lesson teaches you to be patient. And also, yes, what it teaches you? Yes, not to simply shout at somebody for no reason. Isn't it? And not to suspect anyone. There is no suspicious in this, but now the seed is taking time to grow, but the bug thinks it is scared. That is underestimation, that is not estimating it properly. So, what does a seed need to grow? Yes, the seed need to grow sunlight and water. Also, it takes time to grow. So, my dear children, please read this lesson thoroughly, and I'll give you some words for you to sit and write at home. And after you writing, you check if the spellings are correct. You must also do your self-check. So you will know whether you have made any mistake. If you have made mistake, you should, yes, erase and correct it. Right? Okay. So read this lesson today. Will you? Yes, you will read the lesson, I know that. And let us just fill this blank here. Look here. So this, who comes to meet Bunny? Who comes to meet Bunny? Yes. Who comes? Bug. Yes, tick here, the first column. Second one, Bug plants the dash. What did the bug plant? Vegetable plants or flower seeds? Yes, vegetable seeds or not vegetable plants. Vegetable seeds or flower seeds? Flower seeds. So, tick that. Okay. Now, Bug puts his head very close to the, yes, ground. Very close to the ground. Second one, Bug goes out to his garden with some candles. Yes. Bug feels very tired. Bug feels very tired. So do this. Okay. Okay, children. So please read the lesson and do this exercise on page number 16. Only that you do today is enough. Right? And read the lesson. I'll give you some words to, yes, do the word practice. Alright? Okay. So have a very wonderful day and be good children. Obey your parents. Bye-bye.